Hello everybody and welcome. Not long anymore and the new BMW M8 will be officially unveiled. Today we will give you an exclusive preview of some highlights, the completely new operating concept and the newly developed braking system. Jörg, why did the operating system change and what does this exactly mean for the customer?
The background is basically simple. On the one hand, the function and diversity in modern cars is increasing. On the other hand, we're trying to simplify operations. For example, take the driver assistance systems. The new M8 is equipped with all systems which make your day-to-day life safer, easier and more relaxed.
Okay, that sounds good, but as a sporty driver or even when I go on the racetrack, perhaps I don't want these systems.
Yeah, that's the reason why we've developed the M Mode button. At the mere push with just one button, you can deactivate specific driver assistance systems, and it's optimized to 3 different use cases. It's road, sport and track.
Oh, cool. So let's have a look.
Yeah, let's have a look. Look, in road mode, all driver assistance systems are on. It's active cruise control, lane departure warning, rear collision warning. In sport mode, all informing systems are on, whilst all actively intervening systems are off. And in track mode, which is in fact designed for the racetrack, all driver assistance systems are off, all safety systems are off, and we also turn off systems which have nothing to do with driving on the racetrack. For example, the navigation screen becomes black and also the radio is muted.
Oh, that's pretty cool. And even the display page here on the dash changes. It looks really like in my race car, in the M8 GTE. But one question, I'm missing the typical M setup buttons like damper, engine, steering.
They're all on one button, it's a setup button.
Ah, I see. So mode and setup separately. So even there's the link to motorsport. The mode button, everything what I can do as a driver while driving. Perhaps the display pages. And the setup button, everything what my team is doing in the pit lane. So suspension, steering and engine.
You're right, I agree.
So let's try it out while driving.
Of course. So look, in the setup menu, you can change the engine characteristics, you can change the dampers, the steering, you can also change the MX drive between four-wheel drive sport, two-wheel drive as you know, and you can change the brake between comfort and sport.
Wait, what means the brakes?
Yeah, it's a really new system in the M8. It's called the integrated brake system. It has a E-pedal, which means the complete system is about 2 kilograms lighter than the normal system, and you can choose between different characteristics.
Oh, that sounds really cool. So let's try this out. We set everything to Sport or Sport Plus, even the brake system on Sport, and program this on the M1 button as used on the other models.
Yeah, now
and
back in.
As we learned, the M Mode button, a long press for the track mode.
Yes.
Track mode activated.
All right.
So let's try out. First corner, going in the corner. Oh, nice pedal feeling, huh?
Yeah.